1D as a PDF is given in your parents portal, and wherever you have a problem related chapter 1D, that time you will write the comment box of the related questions, and I will solve in my next video and you will get the solutions. Now let's we start the CCE test paper 1. In question number 1, the sum of two integers is minus 12. If one of them is 43, find the other. The sum of two integers is minus 12. Let the other number be x. According to question, 43 plus x is equal to minus 12. The question is given. This one the equation of that questions, and here you have to find out the value of x. Now the value of x is our answer. X is equal to minus 12, and when 43 will transpose here, it becomes minus 43. Positive integers will change into negative integers. 3 plus 2, 5, and 4 plus 1, 5. Negative sign will be remain here. This one the answer. The other number be x. Hence, the other number be x. Sorry, the other number be minus 55. This one your answer. Hope it is very easy for you. Now, question number 2. The difference of an integer p and minus 8 is 3. Find the value of p. The equation is here. The difference of an integer p and minus 8. P and minus 8 is 3. Find the value of p. Solution: p minus minus plus p plus 8 is equal to 3. So p is equal to 3 minus 8. 8 will be transposed there. So value of p is minus 5. And this one the answer. In question number 3, add the product of minus 16 and minus 9 to the quotient of minus 132 by 6. This one the very important question. Add the product of minus 16 and minus 9 to the quotient of minus 132 by 6. Here there are two questions. Product of, at first we have to get the product of minus 16 and minus 9. Minus 16 into minus 9. Minus minus plus, and 16 9 ja 144. This one. The product of minus 16 and minus 9. It is clear? We get it. And another, the quotient of. The quotient of minus 132 by 6. Minus 132 divided by 6. The answer is minus 22. Okay. Once again, read it. Add the product. Here add 144 to minus 22. The simple question. According to question, 144 plus minus 22. This one the question only. When we added it, 144 minus 22, here 122 is our answer. Very simple, but it's a very important for you. Okay, always note it, and such type of questions will try to motivate, will try to check the level of the students. So here you will do it and take a practice once and once again, then you will solve these questions. Question is, by what number should minus 240 be divided to obtain 16? According to questions, the equation will be, by what number should be minus 240 divided by x, so obtain we 16. The same type of questions has asked in your previous chapter, and I have given the solutions also. But here you will see again, minus 240 is divided by 16, you will get the value of x. Now, minus 240, when we divided 16, minus sign will be noted here first. 16 1 ja 16 and 16 5 ja 80. This one the rough work. And here 240 divided by 15 is equal to 16. The required answer is 15. This one our answer. Very simple. What should be divided? What should be divided by minus 7? What should be divided by minus 7 to obtain 12? According to question, what should be divided by minus 7? We obtain 12. Again, minus 7 is divided by 12 is equal to x. So, minus 7 by 12, this one the answer. Evaluate question number 6. Minus 6 into minus 15 into minus 5. Here what we have seen, the multiplication 1, 2 and 3. When negative sign has come, will be multiplied by odd number, the answer will be negative. When multiplication will be multiplied, negative integer will be multiplied by even number, even times, the answer will be positive. Always remember, once again you listen, when negative integer will be multiplied by odd times, the answer will be negative. When negative integer will be multiplied by even times, the answer will be positive. Here our answer will be negative because 1, 2 and 3. 3 is a odd number. So this one minus 6, answer will be negative, and 6 into 15 into 5, you will be multiplied. 6 5 ja 30 and 30 into 15, 450. Very simple, and you will obtain the same answer. Okay. the same process. The question number 5 has given -5 into -5 into -5 taken 5 times. Yes, 5 is odd number and it has come odd times. The answer will be negative. And 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. The answer is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 ja 25, 25 5 ja 125, 125 5 ja 625 and 625 5 ja 3125. The answer is here. Very simple. Rest questions you will try your own level best. All these questions are very simple, and in your previous chapter all questions have given and all questions have solved by yourself. This CC test paper is given for your own revision, your own level best. Okay, so you will try to do it, and wherever, once again I will say, wherever you have a problem, so related questions you will write down in comment box. I will solve it in my next video. Till, have a nice day.